Okay, so this is my piece of shit Toshiba Netbook, and this is my black Cadillac, and I'm gonna run it over. Like so. Oh my god, that worked all too perfectly. Oh my god. Okay. Well, there we go. Awesome. Okay, so I'm deciding to film this in the bathroom. There's Elvis. Because the kitchen is in use right now and it's a little too messy. So here's what we have. What's left of the Netbook after I ran it over with my 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood. Yeah. There's not much to it. Now, I had removed the LCD panel before I destroyed it before I destroyed the Netbook. Only because the LCD was still practically good. That's a lid cover. Still usable, actually. There's not even a damn scratch on it. There's still snow in here. Wow. Palm rest doesn't look too bad. It is scraped somewhat. Case is starting to separate. Screen hinge is still hanging on like a champ. You know, Toshibas are shitty computers. Like, they break easily. And, yeah, this is one of them. Oh, here's the serial number for Windows 7 Starter. Help yourself. Anyway, I took the keyboard off as well because that was in perfect condition. There's the power button. Kind of twisted looking. Anyway, I think the most damaged part on this Netbook is the bezel. Not much to it. Anyway, got her done. Right, Elvis?